Hi, I'm Jo Gakonga from ELT-training.com, and in this short video I'm going to tell you about one of my favourite classroom activities. This is a great activity for getting to know a class, and it's called If This Is the Answer, What's the Question? So you think of 3 or 4 things which are about you, personal information about you and your history that you're happy to share with the class, and then you write the answers to those things in a short form around your name on the board. Now, these could be important dates for you, or some place that's special for some reason. Here are some examples about me. You can make some of these answers quite ambiguous if you want. Yes, for example, could be the answer to an awful lot of things. Start with your name, because that's an obvious thing. So tell them this is the answer, ask them what the question is. Even if you've just started being their teacher, they'll probably know your name. So they'll know that the answer is, what is your name? Jo. Now, be careful that they don't have the question, is that your name? Because the answer to that is yes, not Jo. So make sure they've got the question that that's the answer to. Okay, now get them to work in pairs to try and think about what the questions to the other answers might be. If you're working online, you could do this in breakout rooms in small groups. If you're lucky enough to be working face to face, you could do it that way too, in small groups or pairs. Ask them to write down the questions so that as you monitor you can see, and you can help them with the content and with the form of the questions as well. Would you like to stop for a minute and see what you think those questions might be for me? Pause me a minute and see if you can. When you've given them a few minutes to think about the questions and you've monitored, then elicit the answers from them, or the questions actually, and check for the form if you need to. If you're curious, these are my questions. The next stage, of course, is to ask them to do the same. They write 3 or 4 answers about themselves and let their partner guess the questions, and also talk about the answers. Oh, you've got 7 brothers and sisters. Do you all get on, for example? You can swap partners and do this 2 or 3 times while you monitor and listen. That way you'll get to know them as people, as well as get an idea of what their language level is like. I hope you have fun with this activity. It's worked for me on numerous occasions really well, and it's very easy to set up. If you like this video, there are lots of other resources on my site for English teachers and trainees. Go to ELT Training. Hope to see you there. Bye bye.